Welcome guys, my name is David Pino. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are on another video. I'm excited to talk to you about Swissquote Global, guys, and Zcash. How is Zcash mining going to affect you over the next few weeks, months, and years? So for now, obviously this is going to be more of an update video. I haven't been doing videos in quite a while, so this is basically an update video on the progress of how the Zcash mining is going. And this next month in March, I will be purchasing more Zcash in order for me to start generating more income basically in this cryptocurrency field, especially in Zcash. Okay, so I'm on my Facebook right now. In case you want to just reach out to me or talk to me, you can feel free to reach out through the link in the description below. If you do like the content that you're seeing on this channel, definitely hit the subscribe button so that you get more notifications and views on what I have to offer in terms of Swissquote Global, in terms of the Zcash mining, and how are we doing this. So I'm going to focus on Swissquote Global. I gave you guys two options in this last video. If you want to see, okay, I said why I would go on in and mine Zcash, but if you want to look here also, I gave you two options of Zcash in this video, and in fact you will find both the options in the links below, but you will find here this is the journey of Zcash, and you will find Swissquote Global and CCG Mining are two places that you can go in order for you to start to get more Zcash in terms of your mining. Okay, but we will be looking at right now Swissquote Global. Who is Swissquote Global? What is Swissquote Global doing? Swissquote Global is primarily a gold and, let's say, precious metals company. Okay, they've been online for the last 10 years, and they have been successfully generating a business for the last 10 years from 2008, and they started with cryptocurrency mining when they partnered up with Genesis Mining. Now you get the same conditions. So basically Swissquote Global is a customer of Genesis Mining, and we in turn are customers of Swissquote Global. So we are earning a certain amount with the packages that we purchase directly with Swissquote Global. The same goes with different mining opportunities. Okay, that's when it comes to Swissquote Global. That's how they started. They have obviously Bitcoin mining contracts, and then they have Zcash, then they have Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and Monero. At the moment, Dash and Litecoin, if I'm not mistaken, are not available because the contracts are just run out, which is what happens with Genesis Mining often. But Zcash is going well. In fact, right now, if I click on Zcash, you can see I have 100 hash power of Zcash. And in my Bitcoin account right now, I have 0.015. Okay, and this is increasing on a day-to-day basis. So you can see this as the amount that I'm earning, and I have right now with Swissquote Global. So that's a good thing to see. Difficulty, they give you the difficulty rate, the hash rate, how much they have. So they have around 21 right now. Okay, average of hash rate 21,827 petahash, which is a lot, guys. It's really a lot. If I go to crypto compare and just put that number in, you will be amazed about what is the income right now in terms of the Bitcoin. Let's go to transaction history, and I want to just show you guys a bit of an update. I purchased on the 20th of January an account, 100 hash power. Okay, and I have been earning every single day. Let me repeat that. I've been earning every single day since then, and I can go back to the 21st, 22nd, 23rd Zcash. Okay, and right up till 22nd, which is today. Which is 2 days ago. Okay, we'll just go and check on everything. Yeah. So the 23rd needs to still be uploaded. Obviously, this company will upload the amount you can see that it's doing it on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so they will definitely upload the amount that is there. And once I hit 0.005, okay, in Bitcoin value, then they will withdraw that to my account. Okay, that's what they will be doing on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so I will get the award only once I reach 0.005. Then I will get the reward. Okay, I'm gonna go to dashboard again. I just want you guys to see how much right now I have at the moment. Okay, so if I just look at this, you'll see it's around 140 is what it's waiting for the payment. Once I get this payment, it'll be good and everything will go well. If you want to know more about what this means, then we will definitely get into it. Right now, I don't want to confuse you guys. All I wanted to show you was that I have been earning on a day-to-day basis with Zcash. However, if you want to purchase Zcash right now, I want to show you a little bit of how you can do that. So you need to go and first do your KYC, which is know your customer. This company has been online for 10 years, guys. So they're pretty serious in terms of knowing their customers and taking that side very, very, very passionately. So after you've done your KYC, you send them the documents. They've confirmed your profile. Then you can go to buy hash power. Okay, increase hash power. Click on Zcash, and I want you to see this. Zcash is first open, permissionless. It tells you a little about Zcash, 24-month contracts, no maintenance fee, all kinds of paid out in Bitcoin at the exchange rate, and the mining start on the 30th of April. Okay, we are now in February. This, if you start purchasing right now, okay, your mining will start on the 30th of April. So these contracts that you're purchasing right now are pre-sale contracts. Okay, they're pre-sale contracts. Do not expect the hash power for Zcash that you're purchasing right now to be immediately given to you. Okay, so even once I purchase new hash power, it will only start mining on the 30th of April. The reason why is because Genesis Mining is opening out more cryptocurrency mining farms, and once they do this, they have the opportunity therefore to then make the pre-sales that they're doing, and after they have everything confirmed, then they will start mining. So they have the income and they purchase the equipment, they have the equipment installed, and then you finally have the amount that is coming into your account every single day. So this is what you can do and basically purchase right now, and the mining will start on the 30th of April. Okay, that's pretty good to have a pre-sale going on for Zcash at the moment. I don't know if Monero and the other ones have it. Let's look at it. Monero doesn't have, so if you want to, for example, start mining right away Monero, you can go ahead and purchase Monero right away. Zcash is, as you can see, starting on on the 30th of April. So is Ethereum, same, the pre-sale contracts. And right now for Bitcoin, I don't think you can. Or you can. At the moment you can. Just 1 terahash, for example, I can purchase right now with Bitcoin. So it's very limited because they're working with Genesis Mining. But I still believe quite a bit on this. It's a solid company to have, a 10-year-old company work with this, and I would definitely put my faith in this kind of a company, and rather than have things fall under the rug too often, right? So this is just an update, guys. You can see every single day coming in. Once I have my amount starting at 0.05, I'll get a payout, and that will go to my wallet, which will directly go immediately to my Bitcoin wallet, which I have saved on the platform. Okay, have a great day. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm going to see you on the next video.